In this video, we will use line CD and draw a parallel line through point E. Let's start by drawing a line that sections through point E and line CD. The angle of this line does not matter, as long as it goes through both of them. Label the intersection through line CD as point F. Place your compass on point F and adjust it to any measurement. Draw an arc that will section through line CD and EF. Label these intersections as 1 and 2. We now need to duplicate point 1 and 2 on point E by using the same measurement, and draw an arc that will section through line EF again for point 1, and another arc where point 2 could be. We can label them accordingly. Next, place your compass on point 1 and adjust it to point 2. Use this measurement on your second point 1 and determine point 2. We can now draw our parallel line through point E and the intersection created on our second point 2. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.